Masyado!
Sino itong dramatic actor na ito na sa sobrang kalasingan ay nagbirong mag-carnap ng sports car ng isang sikat na artista? Ito ang eksena. Si Sir Lloyd ang gaganap na dramatic actor. Si Mar Suzy ang may-ari ng sports car. At si Nikki ang isa pang kaibigan ng actor na lasing din. Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't
Oh, you're
understand
drunk
Tagalog.
and
I'm sorry.
you're his friend.
Yeah. Okay.
Mercy.
Cool.
Yan. Barkada
Okay.
tayo, barkada.
Okay.
You're classy, you're classy.
Action!
Mga pars, ito yung collection ko ng car at ito yung paborito kong sports car. Ito mismo.
Wow! Pwede bang mahiram yan na test drive naman?
Siyempre, sure. Sige ba, go!
Okay, Nikki
Well,
baby.
since, I'm kind of drunk, I want to go party more.
Oh, you
and,
gotta ride
I've got-
behind me, girl.
Exactly.
Come on.
Okay, girl.
So,
okay.
ready, sakay?
Okay. Oh, okay.
Sabay
We're
on.
driving right now, right? Okay.
Okay.
We're driving.
Yeah! All right,
Okay, where are we
go.
going, by the way? It's like, I'm
We're going
super,
to BCJ.
I'm sorry?
The port. The port.
The port. Okay,
Over there, over
It used to
there.
be Port Bonifacio.
Yes,
Now it's
that's now
BGC.
BCG.
Yeah,
BGC.
BGC, okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, yan lang, gigibig tayo, going to the
Yes. Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna take this car that she owns to the port.
Ay, nako.
You gotta ride with me. Okay.
Sino ba yung actor na yan na nagtangay ng isang sports car?
Naman.
Ito ang clue.
Gusto ko malaman sino yung maraming sports car na actor na yun.
Kilala
Sa'yo,
natin
mami.
yan.
Alam
Kailangan
natin
natin.
lahat.
I only have 2 cars.
Oh my God.
3
I
cars.
have an idea, but I'm not sure if I'm right.
I think,
Totoo yun, narinig ko na natin.
Wow.
For reals? Oh my God.
Kasi ang maganda dyan, wala namang nadisgrasya, madali namang naibalik. Siguro ay nagkataon na biru-biruan ba? Medyo...
Tsaka nung time yun, walang traffic siguro. Kaya napalayo na nila, hinataw na nila.
So, ganun pala kadami ang courts. Yun ang gusto ko malaman. Kanina niya hiniram yung car.
sabihin mo.
SC, a social climber.
Yan!
At its best.
Si
Yung
ano,
may-ari. Oo. Yan, correct, tama.